to today?
We're off to DFO. Honey is taking me clothes shopping.
Yeah, that's going to be fun.
Yeah, I'm going to love it. You're going to buy me everything.
I don't know about everything. Yeah, I do have a limit to what I can spend.
Well, we'll just spend all of that then.
Hey, to be broke. Arrived at
Yay,
DFO.
we made it. In one piece.
I didn't die. I mean, what?
Shut up.
I'm gonna do some shopping.
Mm-hmm.
I gotta sweat it back.
Yes, you do.
Pretty warm coming up.
It is. How do we get in?
Now, how do we get there? Go this way, I guess.
You can go up the ramp.
It'd be weird walking up the ramp.
There's another ramp there.
Before we day shopping. It's so quiet, it's scary.
Oh, look, we can go into Justin's.
So we can get just it there. A liar, there's t-shirts in there.
Come on, let's go in there.
Come on, just jeans.
Yeah.
Just jeans.
Yeah.
But there's more than just jeans.
Yeah.
What are we looking for? Shirt?
Pants.
Pants. Alright, let's look for some pants.
Like, there's a whole wall of them, like, right there.
Guessing you're looking for girl pants.
Yeah. Preferably.
Well, who knows? They actually have girl pants called boyfriend. How ironic is that? So, super skinny bitch, skinny bitch, slim bitch,
What is there? Boy behind you.
straight, boot cut, like so you cut off your boots, and then boyfriend, if you can't afford one, you can get one here.
I'm thinking that one, or that one would be the best for me because I'm not skinny.
You know, super skinny bitch or skinny bitch.
Sorry, I'm not skinny enough for that.
Clothes shopping's always fun when you're going. Unless, of course, there's some cool clothes that you're actually looking like to wear. $10 t-shirts, $9.95 t-shirts. Well done. Don't know how much longer she's going to be, but who knows. Oh look, there she is. She's finally finished. Hopefully she'll actually go for those pairs and we can get out of here. place is huge. So as I was saying, guys, we fall. Oh, never mind, she's in. See you later, Dan.
Where would you like to go next?
I don't know, where would we go next?
Let's just keep going that way and find out what else we can see.
Okay, we shall go that way.
Ooh, a candy shop.
Ooh, US candy bar.
Look at all the diabetes.
Look at different colours. That shop's so awesome. We'll go have a look.
Yeah, come on.
Let's go have a look. Yeah, well, there's a whole bunch of stuff I've never heard of before. Twinkie. Captain Crunch. Oh, that's Lucky Charms. That's what Nogla was eating on that screen.
That's cool.
There's marshmallows in them. That's weird.
Yeah,
You can tell they're Irish.
that's why it's not a chance.
Captain Crunch.
It's actually commanded according to the stripes. Ooh, look, chocolate covered Twinkies.
Sweetened corn oat. It's so tempting to buy some just to try them.
Can if you want.
Peanut butter.
Jalapeno flavored Pringles.
Where? Jalapeno. That'd be cool. Chili con queso. Pringles ranch flavored Pringles. That looks nice.
$5.50 a pop.
Jeez.
Well, it's $14.50 for the cereal.
Really? Didn't even look at that. Look at jalapenos. So trying out the jalapeno Pringles.
Any good?
Bit spicy, but they're good.
Yeah? Ooh, wow, they do smell spicy.
They're not too hot, so they're actually quite decent, but
That's at the airport.
they definitely taste different.
The money shop is the airport.
What?
Piggy.
So that's probably why that shop doesn't look like that one. Because it's probably only half the size of that.
They're all not bad. Probably not worth like $6, but they're not bad.
To the airport, probably
Oh no, not with the spicy stuff on your face.
40 minutes drive.
See what else we bought. Try the Mountain Dew Voltage, yes. Can you open that for me, please?
Sure.
Oh, sprayed the room.
I didn't.
Got me, look right there.
Oh. There you go. Oh wow, that's weird.
Let's see how it goes.
Yeah, that's weird.
Weird flavor. Do not recommend.
Give me another hit of that. What is it?
And it's
Raspberry, citrus, and ginseng flavors.
Mountain Dew Voltage. Probably won't buy that again, but it's not bad. But I wouldn't drink it all the time. It's got a bit of a weird raspberry flavour.
So to balance that out, I'm trying my pineapple.
Pineapple Fanta. Oh, look at this.
It smells good. Oh, that's way better.
Yeah? I like pineapple, but I don't like that pineapple.
Actually, try it properly. Give me that.
Yeah. Not a big fan of that one either.
It's better than your Mountain Dew.
Yeah, I'll give it that. It is a little bit better than the Mountain Dew. What? It's got a weird flavour. Oh, I can't show that on there. I have to censor that.
Edit that out later.
I'll have to pixelate that.
Totally.
Is that correct? Smoke. I'm not even sure what Arizona is, but if the American audience knows what it is, let me know.
Grape flavor.
Vitamin C antioxidants. So it might be actually pretty healthy, maybe. It's soft drink, it probably won't be. I was wrong, it's actually like a tea or juice. It actually doesn't taste bad.
It's a what?
It's actually more like a tea. Or
10%
just-
juice. It actually has juice in it. Like actual juice. You can apparently buy it at 99 cents.
Shit, 99 cents. That actually tastes pretty good. Would recommend. 10 out of 10 would do again. I think I remember reading an article, like watching a video, and apparently Arizona is actually cheaper than water in some states of America.
Yep.
So a lot of people end up just buying this, so bottled water.
Wow, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, no, it's pretty bad when people gotta buy like tea juice thingy over water.
One can is apparently 3 serves.
Oh, it actually says shake well before you open it. Well, we didn't do that, so who knows what it's gonna taste like when we get to the bottom. But
We didn't know.
valid point, you don't shake cans. Still, the thing is, it doesn't taste bad at all. You wanna try it?
Good. In a minute.
In a minute, she says. In a minute.
I had to finish mine first.
Let's see if she actually likes the Arizona grape aid.
It smells like the grape bubblegum you get.
It does actually. It tastes very similar actually, but it's a little bit weaker.
It tastes weird after pineapple.
It probably would.
It's not bad though.
Try it again and see if now you've washed it down a bit.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah. So, thumbs up, thumb down.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, there you go, see? Should probably also mention we're not endorsed by any of these products either, so.
You're not putting this up, are you?
She thinks I'm not putting this up, I'm just filming this for no reason at all.
Oh, I hate you so much.
Just recording all day and not putting it up on YouTube or anything. Very funny. That's funny, that's nice.
Oh, I hate you so much.
She hates me now, okay. Do you want to call it quits now? Should I leave, or is...
How about you stop recording
She wants me to stop recording. Okay.
for the time being?
phone. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon.